LeasePlan is a global force in the fleet management industry. We support clients of all sizes with their vehicle leasing needs, as well as the support of the end-to-end management of these assets on the road. Technology is fundamental to LeasePlan. As we look in the world in the future, we see that mobility as a service will be a major mega trend. As we continue to do and support our clients in our daily driver needs, we know that we'll need innovative solutions to be able to find the highest productivity possible for their drivers. LeasePlan came to Alpharetta in the year 2000. It gives us an opportunity to basically connect to a whole new world of possibilities. When we look at Alpharetta and the development plans, we know that the city is going to grow and is going to grow through innovation. There's over 700 technology companies here in Alpharetta that gives us a chance to partner close. It is interesting to see that some of our partners already are just around the corner. It takes us 10 minutes drive, 5 minutes drive to be able to see them and connect with them. We're hoping that LeasePlan will have a high impact of the city of Alpharetta. The city has been working very hard into sort of walking down what the future will look like. As we think about smarter cities, connectivities, and mobility as a service, we believe the LeasePlan can support the city in achieving its ambition to continue to be the technology center of the South.